Hello and welcome to our video on how we make medicine into tablets from the CMAC Future Manufacturing Research Hub based at the University of Strathclyde. Learn about what we do in the lab and then you can try it at home. In this video, we tell you all about how we go from medicine in the form of powder to the tablets that we swallow when we get sick. We'll show you how we are exploring new ways of making tablets so our bodies can get the medicines we need at the right time. We'll also show you a fun at-home activity so you can practice making tablets in the same way that we can make them in the lab.
So how do we make these tablets and how do we make them better? We use a process called hot melt extrusion in our laboratory. In this process, we mix the medicine with the excipients.
Excipients are ingredients that help make tablets dissolve faster in our bodies. Inside the feeder, there are rotating blades to make sure that the powder doesn't stick together. These blades feed the powder into the hot melt extruder.
Inside the barrels are two screws that rotate. These screws mix everything together and push the material to the end of the barrel. We can turn the screws fast or slow, depending on how much we want to mix the medicine. At the end of the barrel is a small hole, and this is where the filament is made. The medicine and excipients are really well mixed inside the barrel and then squished through the small hole to shape it into a filament. These filaments can have all sorts of properties. They can be very brittle like spaghetti, or they can be soft like Play-Doh, or even be really stretchy like a rubber band. We need to make the filament just right so that it will work in the printer. This is the difficult part. Once we have the filaments, we can feed these into a 3D printer and print tablets. The 3D printer uses a pinch wheel drive gear to push the filament into the printer. We can 3D print tablets to give them all sorts of sizes and shapes. A 3D printer can create tablets by adding layers on top of each other. In this case, we are printing a tablet with a lot of holes in it. The holes help the tablet to dissolve faster. But you can also print a tablet without holes if you would like to make the tablet dissolve slower. These tablets can be of all sorts of sizes and shapes depending on whether this tablet is for a child or an adult. And this is how we make medicines better at CMAC.
You can make your own tablets at home using Play-Doh. For older children who have glitter at home, you can use the glitter as your special ingredients that we call excipients and add these to your Play-Doh. Make sure to mix in your glitter excipients thoroughly so the excipient is well distributed in your medicine. If you don't have glitter or are worried about getting glitter in your eyes, you can skip this step. Next, it's time to be an extruder. Roll your Play-Doh out into a long spaghetti strand, or if you have one, you can use a Play-Doh press.
Whoa!
Think about your spaghetti strand. Is it thick? Is it thin? Is it easier to bend when you warm it up between your hands? Now it's time to 3D print your spaghetti filament. Lay out the spaghetti strand in the shape you want your tablet to be. You could make an oval like the 3D printer is making here, or maybe you want to make a circle or even a star-shaped tablet. After you've made your shape, layer the spaghetti inside to finish the tablet. Congratulations! You're well on your way to being a CMAC scientist. Thank you for watching our video and following along with the activity. We hope you enjoyed it.